So it's 15:30, 100 hours, and we found one place to have lunch. It's Goan's Paradise. It's somewhere near Nuvem. Just few minutes from Majorda, and this is the local bus shuttle.
There the rat is ready. Cheers.
100 hours, and we have got our fish thali, the first fish thali of Goa. This is Lepo thali with feni, and this is sonak fish thali. He's not having anything, and papad. Beef chili fried. The lovely feni. And lovely feni and lovely people and lovely wife and lovely thali and lovely not me but. And you can see me. So cheers and bon appetit. It's good that we managed to get a place. Guys, it's 14:45, 100 hours. And we finished with our lunch. We had a nice wonderful lunch. Enjoyed the thali, fish thali, and now we are back on our way to our room, Sandy Toes, which is at the Majorda beach. We'll relax for a while, and maybe by 6 o'clock we'll leave for the sunset beach to see the sunset at Betalbatim Beach. Like how the Binoleum beach, that with the Betalbatim Beach.
Putting it off.
Okay, wait. So now we are come to take the left turn to Majorda, and then we'll go to sleep then. And then tomorrow we are going to North Goa. Hey, auntie, wait! I don't know what are with these females. They put their feet on the ground to stop the bike. No brakes. They think the bikes don't have brake or scooters. Chalo, see you at home. Look at all these plantations of trees, coconut trees. It looks so nice, especially on my right. And what are these? I'm doing some grass cutting. Fitting some pipeline. And just now my overhead sun just reminded me that Dada, why are saying 1650 100 hours?
Correct.
And that is correct.
Yeah.
I'm simply saying 1650 100 hours. Means after 1650 should be only hours, not 100.
Not even hours. 1650 hours.
1650 hours, yeah.
Did you take those?
No need of saying 1650 or 1350 100. I was all the time saying 100. It will be. I wonder what time is this? 1650 100. So that's my mistake. So of course it will be late. I may get some comments saying what's this time? Why are you saying this way? But later when you see the video, then you will know that it's not 1650 100 is the 1650. So nearing a place, another 6-5 minutes good to go. Unfortunately my I don't have to say smart son forgot to turn the mobile map on. So once we came inside this locality, all the village type place over here, this is it in the inner roads, all this the Wi-Fi from this TV on the screen got lost. It did not know where we are going. So Aaron had to put the mobile Wi-Fi on again. So now we know where we are going. And look on the left too. Lovely fields, green grass of home by Tom Jones. And on the right too, not so green because it's summertime. Okay, so now we have to go out, take a right and again left. So just go in the room and just have a little 40 wings nap. See you in the room.
What fast?
6:30 p.m. and we have reached Betalbatim Beach. Oh, we have to mind this. This is all salt water. Okay, we crossed it. So this is all the seawater that is coming in from there. I can only feel my slippers sticky. We are come here to see the sun setting behind the horizon. Aaron, wait here.
Aaron.
It's not for them, man. It's only for these other doggies. So small, narrow pathway leading to the beach, and see that beautiful baby. Hi.
Very high tide, I think. Walk a little far away from this area.
So here we are. So here
It's behind the
Wait.
clouds.
it's 6:40 p.m. Welcome to Goa Beach, it says. Heat waves can cause serious health issues. Oh, this is the lifeguard station. And there you can see The awesome sun setting and going behind the water, behind the seas on the other end. And here these two are spectators. Now we will take view of the beach from my far right end, coming to the sunset. This looks so awesome, orange color, yellowish orange. Going to the middle where you can see the lifeguard sitting, and then to the left, and then far extreme left. Let's go for a dip in the water. Dip in the water in the sense only our feet. Alan wants to go in the water. Yes. Give me your mobile. Then you go. So two of them are gone for a dip in the water. Just took some pics with them with the sunset. Look at that. So it's so nice. So beautiful, so elegant. Just like a wow. Oh my god, they had to come back. Finished, their dip is finished. Sunset dip. There was a little bit of noise coming, the sea noise. I just tried putting the noise cancellation on. So let's see how it sounds now. The previous video, too much of sea noise. So now let's see how it sounds. Okay, now they pulled me in inside the water. Ouch! As you can see, my feet are all getting wet now. I won't come right inside because I have the cam with me. Aaron trying to jump over the waves. Aaron, just catch me for me. Catch for me and I'll show so the video was me.
Yes.
It's 7:10 p.m. and the sky color has changed from orange to pinkish purplish color. And I went in the water and my pants, my shorts got a little bit wet, so I came out. I'll wear it, my shorts tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and then I will go in the water. Enjoyed? Namal? You can see Aaron enjoying in the water. Now he got up now. Oh, he wants to go closer. Let's take a close zoom in. Oh, water baby is water boy. And me, I'm just the opposite of him. "7:40 p.m. and see this mother and son. Atikya, Kandara. "7:50 p.m. 50, and we have just stopped over here to pick up some snacks, some food. Saint Sebastien fast food, a small cart, and this is the prep getting prepared over there behind. This is the menu.
Wait for 2 minutes, huh? Yeah.
This is on the road to the beach. The beach that we came, Betalbatim Beach, and then we'll go and pick some booze from the wine shop and go back to the room. Go back. So there you can see Saint Sebastien fast food. This is the night 2 in Goa, Majorda. Cheers. Okay guys, it's 10:20 p.m. and we are going to have our dinner. It's at this restaurant over here. I forgot the name, but once we get there I'll show you the name. It's just close by. It's just 2 or 3 minutes drive. Cuzina De Goa, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So we just go have a quick bite because we had drinks and our snacks in the room. So feeling a little bit hungry now. The snacks was not enough. So we'll have dinner and then go back. And tomorrow morning is a fun day because we are going to Surprise, and then after that again we are going to Kankona, which is from Majorda. It's almost 1.5 hour drive. It's almost at the border of Karnataka. Chalo, see you all once we reach over there. Yeah, we reached in fact. It's just a short drive, not even 3 minutes, just 2 minutes by car. Here it is. Cuzina De Goa. Last long time back we came with Godino. He only brought us to this place. A nice place it is. So now they'll get down while I will park the car. Come on, get down guys. Waiting for the door. Please start ordering, huh? I'll be in 5 minutes. The Jiffy is like. the queen and the prince. Baz, bang the door! Bang the door! Go. So this is the entrance. Nice place, nice food. Let's park the car over here on Eaters, opposite. Nice it is. Reasonable rates, not very expensive. Chalo, I'll just park. So I don't know if y'all can see me because I'm just sitting in the car, just having my drink before I go inside to have dinner. The best thing to do is when you come to Goa, don't go to any of these fancy restaurants and bars and everything. Go to all these local restaurants and bars which are which are running by the locals, Goans, because you get the authentic food, good taste, good feni, udak, everything is wonderful. So that's what we do. And I learned this from Neri, my friend who is supposed to be over here, but he did not come. And he said he's coming on 31st. Hope to meet him over here. I'll be really happy to see him over here. He's the guy who took me to all the local places in Kepe. And good stuff, good food, not expensive, but that taste, that home cooked food, that is which is very very important over here in Goa. Whereas now in these days, and I mean, each and every restaurant you go, thali food, but not the way that you actually get Goan cooking it. Chalo, I won't talk and take up your time because I have to also have fast and go. Because tomorrow we have a big day. We have a early morning departure from our room, and we'll be going all the way over there, and we'll be coming the next day back. So I'll see you guys. We'll show you the food, what is being ordered. Thanks. Bye. 10:30 p.m. and we reached Cuzina De Goa a long time back. In my previous video, I was telling you I was talking to my friend. So this is the interior of the restaurant. It's an open air restaurant, no AC. Nice place it is. And this is brought, I mean, we came here because Godino, who where we are staying, he had brought us over here. So Godino brings us to a place, that means he knows that this place is a good place because he has his homestay, so he sends guests here, and guest who asks him, sorry. Nice place this is, but. And of course, we miss Godino. He's not here in Goa. He's enjoying his vacation somewhere out of India. Chalo, they ordered for some food. What do you order for?
Beef biryani. Beef biryani and chicken tikka naan.
Now, who's going to have the chicken tikka and who's going to have the biryani? Huh? And the third person is Hawa mein. This is my wife's logic. Third person hangs.
We're going to share.
They're going to share. I've come to Goa over here. Chalo guys, once the food comes, I'll show you all the food. And then we'll, gob, 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 gob. So the food has come. We have this chicken tikka naan and beef biryani, and this is raita. So I was thinking that this chicken tikka naan means it will be chicken tikka and naan. But when this came, I was saying, like, where's the the third item? But then my wife is saying, no, this is chicken tikka naan. That means the naan is stuffed with the chicken and the tikka is put in it. And then let's taste beef biryani. First time I'm having beef biryani. Raita. And night time I will taste this one then.
Hey, this is all.
So this is all in the room only, yeah. Chalo, And since my wife is having red wine, port wine, no? Port wine, and it's not good to have me sitting on the table without a glass, so I told them just get 130 ml here. It's respect for the whiskey, respect for Goa. Chalo, cheers and bon appetit.